Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Okay. Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the porch light on your RV. I know this sounds like it's an easy job, but the most difficult part about this was actually finding this lens. And I'm actually going to show you how to find that lens online. So on the lens, finding the lens was the problem. It wasn't the installation of the lens, it was actually finding this. So what I ended up doing is very lightly on the fixture itself, I could see that it was indented into the switch, by the switch on the light fixture very, very lightly. And I wrote them down. So the numbers I wrote down, I took a chance and I typed them into Google. And then when I did that and hit a search, it came up immediately with the lens. So I just kind of scrolled down a little bit and just try to find something. And I found one here. I think it was right here. I'll click on this one. And it came up with this RV shop. Here it is right here. 15 bucks. So I could have just went to this shop here and bought this. But instead what I did is, I'm just going to go ahead and do that, is highlight that. I copied it. And I just went over here and pasted it into Amazon. And this is what I came up with. So $11.42. And I'm all set. I'm just kind of used to ordering from Amazon, so I kind of wanted to order from them. I'm sure the RV shop was fine, but I'm used to ordering from there. So just type in the SR33101 RV porch light in Amazon, and you should be all set. All you need to do is take it out of the package, and it's a special kind of lens, as you can see. It's concaved a little bit. So you're just going to slide that up, and you're going to take a screwdriver. You need a screwdriver. Oh, thanks, honey. And you just want to take, kind of pop that down in there ever so slightly like that, and there you go. Done. Thanks an awful lot for watching.